as I haven't filmed in ages and ages and ages, and that's because I've had school, I've had to do things, and since I've half quit. So where's my little Cherry? Cherry? Oh, there she is. Hello, baby! For my birthday, I got a kitten. Yee. 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 Okay. So you... What are you doing? What is he doing? Oh my God. What the heck? What the heck are you doing? What are you doing? So, having a cat gives you a lot of scars, especially when they're a baby. Illa. Illa. I'm sorry, it's just hard. I couldn't film them. Baby! Say hello to the camera. She's camera shy. She's camera shy, baby. Oh, you're cute. So guys, that was just a quick video about my cat. And yeah. And yeah. And yeah. So goodbye. I have no words. Love you, baby. Bye.